Alright, today guys, I am at Callaway's Nursery. I'm not looking for anything in particular. I'm looking for something that I could, well, I'm not going to say that. I'm looking for something that I can grow in dry, hot weather. So let's look. But look at these flowers. They are so pretty. They are really pretty. Look at these. Look at the price of the flower food. Oh my goodness, look at these. Ooh, wait, these are so pretty. Let's see what this is. $34.99, and this is a fired up on orange sun parasol. Wow, that's pretty. I'm sure if I put that in my backyard, it would just burn up. When July and August come, that plant would say, "Help me, help me." And these are petunias. And look at these pretty begonias. Beautiful. Okay, so I selected parsley and cilantro, just one of each. I'm gonna see if I can grow it in a hot, dry climate. Okay, so now I've added some basil and peppermint. And I got these because they have a super savings today. So I added one more, which is a sage. They also have some bigger potted herbs, but I'm not going to get those. I'm going to stick with the smaller ones just to see how they work for me. I'm going to try them, y'all. So this is what I have so far. You guys know I also love lavender. I look at these zinnias and I instantly think of my mom. She loved zinnias, and I can see why. Look how beautiful, vibrant, and colorful they are. Y'all think they have enough ferns? I love hostas, and so do the rabbits. All right, guys, this is where we probably need to be living, right here. I did buy one plant. Well, I bought two. I was here probably maybe 3 weeks ago, and so we did plant two. But this is probably where I need to be because, hey, look, I don't know if y'all been to Texas, but this is a different kind of hot down here, and especially in August. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to get this one right here. This is a Bovine Avera Sunshine Orange. It's a perennial. I like to buy perennials because you don't have to keep purchasing them every year. And it's only, let's see, $12.99. So we'll take her on home. Not unless, of course, I can find one that looks nicer than her, but she looks pretty good. As you can see, this is a super nice nursery. They have everything here, guys, just everything. these. These are so pretty. Look at these guys. These are beautiful. Ever Twilight, and they are $19.99. Not bad, but I'm not gonna buy them because I don't know if they would grow for me. I mean, they sell them here in Texas. Maybe I don't have the green thumb. These are beautiful. But anyway, I gotta stop, y'all, because I'm just doing this little bit over here. I'm doing some little herbs and one plant. All right, guys, it wouldn't be me if I didn't come inside and check out the indoor plants. So let me just tell you about these. I've been here down this path before. They are expensive. So we won't be buying any of these today, but they are beautiful, and they definitely have some totally beautiful, beautiful house plants. So unless they have like a dynamic sale, which I doubt if they do, I won't be buying any house plants today. Plus, I already have enough. But like, let's just see this one right here. You know, I could fall in love real quick. Look at that one. Woo-hoo. Yeah, let's just see how much it is to give y'all a flavor for how much these plants are. I don't even know if this one has a price on it. Now, you know what? Let me just stop, because this is only $30. Can you believe that? $30. I'm tempted. But I'm not going to do it. Did I show you that plant over there? Look how big that is. That's $39.99. These monsteras are $69. You can see why I'm sticking with just what I have, y'all. Too expensive for me. And let's see, this is a fiddle fig. Ficus, $19.99. 6 inches. I'm not a lover of that, but nonetheless, it's a lot cheaper. So I like monsteras. Now this one here is only $19.99. When they're small like this, they don't have any separation in the leaves. As this plant gets bigger, you will start to notice that these leaves kind of split off and they become really pretty. Split like this when they get bigger. These smaller monsteras with the variation in their leaves has a little like a light beige and green. That's why they're more expensive. And so when they see how the leaves are just there's no splitting in the leaves, this is what they look like when they get larger. They are really absolutely beautiful.